Okay, folks, gonna do something a little different today. Gonna take a walk along the boardwalk through the small boat harbor. Yeah. What's your thoughts on the small boat harbor, Chako? You know more about it than I do.
It's got holds a lot of boats. We get big cannon boats coming here. There's some boats that come in from the Deadliest Catch out in the Bering Sea.
That's right.
Yeah, Time Bandit's been here.
In
Northwestern's been here.
That's where they pull up, right there.
Yeah.
On the other side of the.
If they come in this year, we'll definitely get some video of it.
We'll get some video of it.
But it is
catch boats way over here.
I always get a lot of compliments.
Yeah, Jake's been here.
Yeah.
And that girl, Sophia Rosebud or whatever her name is.
Mm-hmm. Bob.
Sophia
Bob.
Oh, is it Bob?
Yeah,
Sophia Bob. She's welcome in our shop anytime.
And the Fat Mermaid has a picture of Wild Bill in there because he used to go
really?
drink there.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Wow.
When they'd come to Valdez, he'd go in there and drink.
I bet he's been in our shop.
Probably.
Yeah. We didn't even know it.
Celebrities of all shapes and sizes.
So we've eaten at some more restaurants, and we're still alive to talk about it. So we can do a couple more reviews as we move along the small boat harbor here. And if I don't manage to trip over anything. So we ate at one of the pizza places last night. It's called the Stampmill. And one of 3 places to get pizza in town, but it's the only place that pizza is the specialty. It's a regular pizzeria establishment. And what do we have? Pepperoni, sausage, onions, and garlic.
Yeah.
And it was pretty tasty. Everything was good, except for, to me, the crust seemed a little soggy.
Yeah, had a little soggy on the undercarriage. I think it just needed just a few more minutes. I don't want to push it way over the top.
Yeah, the crust needed a few more minutes in the oven. But all in all, it was a pretty good pie. But really any pizza, if you can manage to get some, usually pretty good. So overall, I would give it a straight 8 moose nuggets for the pizza that we had at from the Stampmill last night. What say you, Chako?
I would definitely say probably an 8-1. I'd say the toppings were really good, really, really good sauce. So I would definitely do an 8-1.
Like the sauce was good, yes.
That undercarriage would have just had a couple more minutes. Definitely would have been in the 9s for sure.
Yeah. So, yeah, it all depends on the cook, like everything that we eat here in town. But overall, a pretty good pie. And then today, we had burgers at Old Town Burgers. And we got to put a caveat on this because we understand that it's been sold. So by the time you get around to eating there, when you come to visit Valdez, maybe under different
ownership,
so things may be different, but it was really pretty good what we've had there recently.
Yeah, they hand press their burgers, so they're fresh, they're not frozen, which is always a good sign.
Yeah, never frozen, which I think really, and it's what their specialty is there too.
Exactly.
Is the burgers, whereas other places in town, here, let's turn around up here. Other places in town, it's really the burgers on there. So for the people who don't eat seafood, have something to eat. But it's their specialty at Old Town Burger. We're going to stop midpoint here in the small boat harbor because, like I say, we've had a lot to eat today. So we're going to have to probably turn around and start moving back here.
And there's no shakes on the way, so.
Oh, yeah. Hey, a shake would be good. We might have to stop for some shakes on the way home. That's an excellent idea. So, what I had at Old Town Burgers was the what was it? The green chili burger.
Yeah, the green chili burger.
That was fantastic. In fact, I had one yesterday and had another one today. It's my new favorite meal in town. I would give it a probably a 9.7, maybe 9.8.
Ooh,
Moose nuggets.
man.
Good a burger as I've had in a long time.
Wow.
It was on point. And you had a regular burger.
I just had the regular old cheeseburger.
And how was that?
It was good. Still had the nice fresh bun. Like I said, hand pressed patty. Wasn't frozen. Cooked perfectly. Wasn't dry. And so I would probably get mine probably at 9.1 moose nuggets.
9.1.
So definitely the best burger in town.
It's going to be tough for the other places that have a burger to beat that. But, you know, we're going to take one for the team probably, and we'll give them a shot. But
got to try them all.
I tell you what, so far, if you're looking for a burger in Valdez, that would be the place to go. I remember when you used to be able to rent boats down at that little gray thing right there.
Uh-huh.
It was part of Fish Central, right?
Yeah, it used to be.
Hasn't been open in years. We rented a boat there one time.
Yep.
Yeah.
I know.
I always wondered how they managed to get insurance because we nearly died out there and we only went just a little ways. Boat's not really big enough to handle any kind of wind out there.
And the wind can come quickly and violently out there.
Yeah. That'll be another one of our documentary series on all of the easy ways to die in Alaska that you just don't think about anywhere else.
Right.
And you'll be surprised how many ways there are to die in Alaska. We'll talk about some of them.
Seven people a day.
Safety first, yeah.
Always.
7 people a day.
Die in Alaska.
Disappear. Well, disappear. We don't know if
yeah.
they die. Bears eat them. Who knows?
Yeah.
They disappear. That's a lot of people every single day. So, you know, bad things can happen in Alaska. You think you're in paradise. You know, there's no crime or anything, but it's all fun and games until you piss a bear off.
Fall in a crevasse, something.
Fall in a crevasse, yeah. Oh, there's many ways. We'll get into that.
That's a whole nother
in another video, yeah. We're going to have to start making a list.
Couple of sightseeing boats.
I have to try this again with my stabilizer thing. I want to see how much of a difference it makes in the video. Wow. The clouds roll in when we do this, so you can't really even see the mountains, but you get to see the harbor.
Right. They're out. It's out there.
We'll do this again, because I'll have a better stabilizer thing.
Right.
And it'll make it look like we're on a little moving sidewalk or something.
Just for us. Moving sidewalk for us.
Yeah.